What is your name?
I'm Marife Manim Team.
How old are you?
I'm 39 years old.
What is your religion?
Catholic.
Are you married?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have son or daughter?
Son, ma'am.
How old your son?
16 years old.
How long you have been working in Hong Kong?
Almost 7 years.
Do you have working experience in other countries?
Yes, ma'am.
Where?
Libya.
Okay, how long you have been working with your current employer in Hong Kong?
2 years.
Where is your latest employer living in?
Saigon.
How many square feet of your employer's house?
2000.
How many family members are they?
4.
4 members?
Yes, ma'am.
Couple and two
2
kids?
kids.
Okay. How old the kids when you came?
2 years old and 5 years old.
Okay. Would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
When I wake up in the morning,
What time?
6 a.m.
Okay, 6 a.m. Then, do you prepare breakfast?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then, after preparing breakfast, do you assist the kids?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Who do the kids caring?
The one co-workers.
Okay, the coworker. Okay. So, do you do the household chores?
Yes, ma'am.
Like what?
Cleaning ground floor,
Mm.
and then cleaning the dog room.
Okay. So, you walk the dog?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, do you prepare breakfast?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then, how about the cooking?
I'm cooking breakfast,
Okay.
lunch, and dinner.
Okay. So, you do the cooking.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Do you go to market?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, what time you prepare the dinner?
I prepare the dinner is 5:30,
And then, what time do you eat for the dinner?
7 p.m.
Okay. Until what time you go to sleep?
I finish my work is 8 p.m.
Okay. So, you sleep at around what time?
9.
9 p.m. Okay. Where will you go on your holiday?
The court.
At the court. Okay. So, playing volleyball?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What kind of household chores are you good for?
Cooking, ma'am.
Cooking and
And cleaning.
how about taking care kids?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, what is your job in your country before you came to Hong Kong?
Cashier and electronics.
Okay. Thank you.